Assalamualaikum to all my lovely students. Now take out your English book. Name star alphabet book. Class nursery. So class, we are going to read alphabet C. Alphabet C. What is this? C. C for car. C for car. What is this? C for car. C for cat. What is this? What is this? Cat. C for cat. C for cat. Next, what is this? Cake. क्या है बच्चों ये? Cake. C for cake. C for cake. Next, what is this? Tell me, what is this? Candle. C for candle. C for candle. Again we are going to repeat. C for car. C for car. C for cat. C for cat. C for cake. C for cake. C for candle. C for candle. So students, आप सभी बच्चों को C for car, C for cat and C for cake and last C for कैंडल लर्न करना है और साथ ही साथ आपको अपनी कॉपी में नोट डाउन भी करना है. थैंक यू.